Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you currently decorating your garden and would want to have a clamp pole for your glass bird bath? Do you want to customize your bird bath with a ring holder? If you're looking for a bird bath, then we have the product for you. We would like you to know about the clamp with ring holder holds Crackle glass bird baths. This is a clamp that holds a ring holder. The bracket fits most 1-inch pole systems and holds our Achla Crackle glass bird baths to give an elegant finish in your chosen location. Birds will surely flock in your garden, lawn, yard, or patio with this item. Have a nice clamp that will firmly hold your glass bird bath. Here are its technical specifications. Dimensions are 12 by 4.25 by 19.5. Weight is 10 pounds. Grab the clamp where the ring holder holds Crackle glass bird baths today at a very affordable price and have a simple yet elegant way of decorating your garden. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.